This is your static commode. It's a very basic piece of kit. We'll often put this in a service user next to their armchair in the front room, or you might be asked to put it next to their bed at night. Okay, lid just flips up. And there's a little toilet pan in there that they can sit on, so they don't need to go far to get to the loo at night. Again, very simple. 4 adjustable legs, all telescopic. Clip comes out, wind it down, so it's a comfortable height for the service user to transfer from. Oh, I can't pop that in, look. Oh, a bit fiddly. There we go. And what we're looking for is a comfortable height for the service user so they can have their feet flat on the floor, do what they need to do, push up and go. Again, because this is quite lightweight, please ask your service user just to, so you can have a look at them pushing up, make sure it's not going to tilt and you're quite happy with it. Any problems, just report it back. So that's your standard commode.